Yes, before joining True Weight, I was detected with hypothyroidism and also cervical spondylitis. These were the two major health issues which I had. And also because of hypothyroidism, I started gaining weight. Yeah, I saw the advertisement on December 25th, 2015. And as soon as I read the advertisement, I told my husband, I feel this is the right choice for me. I need to go ahead with this. So I rang up to the True Weight wellness company at Indira Nagar. They had their toll-free number. So I rang up and their representatives contacted me. And within 2 days, they said you'll be getting a dietitian from Hyderabad. And Jan 1st, I got my diet chart and I started following from the first day. I stopped drinking tea, which I was very fond of. I used to drink tea loaded with sugar 4 to 5 times a day. So I gave up on Jan 1st tea, the first thing which I did. And then I started eating all the things which were given in the diet chart. And I think within a week, I lost 2.5 kilos. These superfoods which are being given by True Weight, they consist of the whole grain food like slim atta, gluten-free atta, then we have the wheatgrass, then spirulina. Of course, I had never heard much about wheatgrass, but after taking wheatgrass, I realized what is the strength we get after having wheatgrass. And I read also it is equivalent to 1.5 kilos of vegetables. And the best superfood which I liked was whey protein, that is Shaker Day, very yummy with Irish chocolate. And I used to wait that when my dietitian is going to prescribe this to me. Before joining True Weight, I was weighing 89 kilos. And after joining True Weight, that is after 8 months, I weighed 68 kilos. Now I am 68. Earlier, I was very chubby, looking like an aunt. And I was now looking 10 years younger maybe. So that glowing skin and looking young was one of the USP of this weight loss program. And I got a lot of compliments from all my friends, my relatives, my colleagues, and also my subordinates. And I have also taken a lot of classes on nutrition, how to eat right, to all my teachers, especially women. They asked me, what did you do? Because they were seeing me, how I am eating. So then I shared some of my experiences with them. So that's how I got a very good positive response. And looking at me, I think after losing 10 kilos, my son started. He got motivated